Hi, here's a quick walkthrough of the Airbnb Calculator. Start by entering the address and number of bedrooms. We'll instantly estimate the property's annual Airbnb revenue. You can choose from underperforming, median, or top performing scenarios, while also seeing key metrics like occupancy, nightly rate, and neighborhood adjustment. Our estimate works in 3 steps. We start with the market benchmark for similar properties, adjust for the exact neighborhood, and then refine the result based on the property's features. You can also review nearby comparable listings and explore their last 3 years of historical performance, including month-by-month occupancy trends. If you're analyzing a deal, you can switch between buy, rent arbitrage, and property manager modes to see the most relevant return and profit metrics. In buy mode, enter the property price to see metrics like cap rate and cash-on-cash return. In rent mode, enter the monthly rent to estimate your expected monthly profit and how long it may take to break even. In property manager mode, you can show owners how much they could receive in their first year after management fees. You can then head over to the reports page where all your saved reports are stored. From there, you can manage your reports and use tags to organize them more easily. Finally, you can export the full report as Excel or PDF. The PDF is useful for sharing with co-investors, colleagues, or clients, while the Excel file is helpful if you want to review or customize the numbers further. So if you're evaluating your next Airbnb deal, try the calculator and generate a professional report in just a few minutes.